Hey everybody, what's up? Today we'll be doing some troubleshooting and I want to show you an interesting little ticking noise that I found. I don't know if you can hear this, but let's check it out. So it's a very steady noise, kind of low frequency-ish ticking. You can feel it in the car, sort of. I stuck my head under the engine there. I could actually see it as well, but couldn't locate it definitely. So I played around a bit, and what happens, if I turn the fan off, it's gone. So there might be something wrong with my fan assembly. It might be the HVAC fan, I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to check that out. But the next thing I'll show you is when we dive under the engine and take a listen from there. And just to be sure, I've been sitting here 30 seconds with the fan turned off, and we still can't hear any noise at all. So we're here in the engine bay checking for the noise. If you don't know where it's coming from, you can typically use a screwdriver. Put your one ear on the handle and the screwdriver on the parts. It will work like a stethoscope. Now I was thinking it might be the alternator, but it's not. So after checking around, I found it's this little box right here to the left side, just next to the wiper fluid and the relay box. And I'm guessing this is another box full of relays. So there's a, you know, if you have your hand on it here, I can definitely feel it moving. So let's check what's going on. So I've opened up the box and it turns out to be just a bunch of random connectors actually. And it says here generator, electrosuction, hydraulic unit, and fuse box, and then battery, which should be right here. So this is the battery connector there, the black one right here. And these are the ones I just mentioned in order. So as I'm feeling the motion in this box, it might be something connected to the switch. So it might be this, which is some kind of pumping system that might be stuck. But I actually have to check the manual of what this is. I can't tell right now. So a little bit of an update. Actually, I was able to remedy this and the heating controls by either putting them off or on max. And I hit the recirculation button a couple of times and the clicking stopped. Now let's look under the hood and I'll tell you why. So these two valves are called duo valves, and actually they're basically solenoids that operate a magnetic valve underneath here that connects to the coolant system, injecting hot coolant into your heater core. These control the amount of flow that the coolant will take into there. If the heat setting is anywhere between off and on, these will start clicking and regulating the valve. So actually the clicking seems to be perfectly normal. Now what I heard was maybe a bit loud, so it could be that these got stuck and that switching it on and off just kind of reset that. So there is also a way you can clean these, and maybe that's actually a good idea for a future video. But if you ever experience that clicking sound, don't panic, it's all good, right? So you can probably clean that, or if it doesn't work anymore, you can replace this part. So if that was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and maybe see you next video.